Good morning, everyone. How are you making out today on your healing journey? I was just thinking about financial abuse and how it affects us throughout our lives. So if any of you have been narcissistically abused, I've been raised by a narcissist. Brother was one. Most of my mother's family, and then I married into the severe narcissistic tendencies, and another relationship was. So, how do you get over this financial abuse? Because it's very insidious. It starts with the way that they make you feel when they have to spend money on you or have to do anything for you, or they make sure that you don't have what the other sibling has and make excuses, or in a marriage where you just weren't worth it. It's very insidious. It's very underneath the layers. It's hard to explain, but if you've been through it, you've been through it, and you know. There's a reason I keep speaking on self-care, self-love, to give yourself worth, because it was stolen from you. If you were like me from birth, it was stolen from you. I am not diminishing anybody else's, because it's still stolen from you. And yes, before we incarnated here, we chose all of this. Doesn't make it hurt any less. This is why I'm constantly speaking on self-care, self-love. Love yourself because you deserve it. Buy yourself that hot chocolate if you want it. Yes, you deserve it. You deserve new underwear. Get some new underwear. Yeah, that's a story. Anyway, it's treat yourself. Start small if you have to, because I had to. I had to start small because I believed in the lies. I believed the lies that they told me. And I was unworthy of it, that I didn't deserve to be wealthy, that I didn't deserve to have the abundance. And what I realized is my energy brought their abundance. The siphoning of my energy brought their abundance. So, in essence, the siphoning of your energy is bringing someone else's abundance in something where the benefit is for them and not you. Again, focus on you in an unegoic way. Give yourself the love that you've been given to others. Know that you are worthy. And this is why I keep talking about it. It begins with small steps to get your courage back, to get your worthiness back, to start feeling like a human again. A loving, kind, and generous human. And I'm starting to tear up, because it's so true. You deserve it. I deserve it. Give it to you. Anyway, I love you. I thank you. Aho Masani.